it going, guys? Just finished part 1 and 2 of the Skate 3 live commentary, and now we are going to do Manual Mania, as many manuals as we can. So try manual down here. You just gotta do as many manuals as you can. Once we get enough room. I know I'm sick, I'm awesome. So, Justin, as we said before, we're going to maybe shoot another 4 or 5 videos here. And after we're finished here, probably just gonna go to my house, edit them, and we'll see what happens then. Might shoot more videos today. Definitely will shoot some more, but not sure about how many more. I might shoot some at my house. Yeah, as I said before, the internet's running really slow. We're gonna have to cut it off soon. Just gotta do one more manual before we go. Hop into nose manual. See you guys soon.
Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel for more updates and news.